Hi Aquarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and it's time for another love bite. Aquarius, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Aquarius and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Aquarius, let's start your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Aquarius, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So Aquarius, let's see what's going on in your love life. The Hangman in reverse, the Devil in reverse, wonderful. Knight of Cups upright, Five of Pentacles, Seven of Wands, the Death card, Page of Pentacles, Ten of Pentacles, and the Ace of Wands. Alright, bottom of my deck I have the King of Swords, Aquarius, in reverse. Now the King of Pentacles is not my favorite because they are quite harsh and rude with their words. They sometimes lie, but I think somebody does want to now come forward with a apology or a love offer or something like that. But I do see their person being a bit guarded here, not very excited, wanting to almost put an end to this connection because maybe they've been feeling left out and abandoned by this King of Swords in the past. But this Knight of Cups is coming in and they want to do over, I think. I'm not sure, but there is guys. The other person, I think, is wanting to kind of ward them away, saying, hey, listen, this is over. I'm not interested. I'm not excited. Let's see what's going on. Let's start with some dialogue message cards here, Aquarius, and see what you guys would say to each other if you could, and then I'll clarify these cards. Aquarius and their person, spirit. Aquarius and their person. Aquarius and their person. Thank you. And let's take a few more from here, Aquarius, another deck. Aquarius and their person. Aquarius and their person. And if any of you are looking for a personal reading, Aquarius, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Aquarius and their person. Okay. All right. Good to go, Aquarius. Let's start your reading. Let's see what's going on here. The first card I have here says, I know you feel the same way. If you didn't, why would you stay in touch and get triggered when I say next lifetime? I'm willing to offer an olive branch to you if I'm able to communicate with you. I would gladly accept an olive branch from you. I long for peace and I miss you. You changed. You were keeping secrets from me. 1 minute we were talking like best friends, and then you distanced yourself from me. Every time it happened again, we grew further and further apart. I miss the old us. Life is too short to keep your feelings to yourself. I cannot stay silent any longer with these words hidden inside my heart and soul because they want to burst out of my chest and my mouth. I love you. Life seems so complicated for us. My mind often drifts to thoughts about us are escaping reality to somewhere really quiet where we can be alone. I don't want to live without you in my life anymore. You're all I think about and I'm haunted by your presence. I long to be with you. I didn't have the courage to tell you. Our relationship has suffered irreparable damage. We've come too far to give up on us. Let's start over. See, something has kind of been damaged here, but there is somebody who wants to start over again. So let's start clarifying these cards, Aquarius, but before that I'm going to take an angel blessing card. Let's see how my angels are going to bless this reading. with a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Aquarius. Blessing, speak your truth, Aquarius. It's time now to whatever's in your heart. I think in the past you guys could really talk to each other, but there's been silence. See, this one says, you changed, you were keeping secrets from me. 1 minute we were talking like best friends, right? So I think it's time now to speak your truth. However good or bad you feel, I think it's best to open up, because keeping it in your heart is only going to damage you, right? So people need here in this connection, people do need to speak their truth now, even about the things that have hurt. So here we go, and let's start your reading. So who's in this Hanged Man in reverse position, Spirit? What's this Hanged Man in reverse? Yes, I think somebody has been very, very upset. Somebody's partner, Queen of Wands in reverse. Somebody's been very, very upset. Aquarius, this could be you, or if you're the masculine, this could be your person, I don't know. And somebody wants to fight for this connection. I think once more, I think right now they're feeling their person is upset and angry and keeping themselves guarded or something, but they are wanting to now kind of heal this connection. If there's been any kind of stagnancy between the two of you, this person does want to now come out of this stuck place. They want to now get over all this toxicity or whatever problems have happened in your connection. So the Devil in reverse, Spirit. Devil in reverse. Devil in reverse. Yes, this person knows. Oh, they are wishing and hoping and praying. I think something has really disrupted this connection. There's been sadness, there's been loss, there's been rejection, there's been this Four of Wands is in reverse, which means lack of stability in a connection, basically. So somebody is wanting to heal all this. They don't like this fact that, you guys are separated. There's a lot of boredom, there's a bit of sadness between the two of you, and this toxicity is something that they want now removed. Yes, they want to make a strong decision now. If they were earlier, never kind of giving in to the connection or something, somebody wants to or has made a decision about what, Spirit? What's this decision or choice made? What's this choice? Yes, they want to come and speak the truth. My angels already said that, didn't they? Speak the truth. Communication. Speak your truth. Somebody wants to do that now, Aquarius. Okay, so Knight of Cups. What do you want to say to us, Knight of Cups? Knight of Cups. Knight of Cups. Somebody wants to say, they want to come in with open emotions now. They're recognizing the fact that in the past, they never gave to the connection. It was a very imbalanced connection. Maybe they were breadcrumbing their partner. They never offered any love or any apology. Maybe they were in their low vibration, devilish energy, being selfish, self-centered. And now the separation has kind of made them realize what they've lost. Now feeling abandoned, left out in the cold, maybe exactly what they did to their partner. Now these thoughts are really kind of stressing somebody out. Oh my God, what did I do? This was my person. This was my Queen of Cups. This is the person who was loving, kind, gentle, loving, everything, right? And somebody is now, I think, wanting to come and be open. Yes, they're wondering how. They're going back and forth in their mind. They are waiting. They're waiting. Maybe there's distance between the two of you, or they're trying to still plan and wait and see as to what they can say, how they can say it. So what's this Five of Pentacles then, Spirit? Five of Pentacles. Yes, now they didn't offer commitment. Yes, this person had a lot of love in their heart, but I think they were a bit in their player energy at that point. They must be kind of not committing. They were not interested in a full-time committed relationship. Even though they had a lot of love in their heart, they were hiding their emotions, or emotionally keeping their person, emotionally manipulated. But this is the King of Cups to that Queen of Cups we just saw, right? So there is a bit of sadness and regret and feeling rejected going on here, only because of this person's bad behavior. Not bad behavior, maybe they didn't know any better that time. They thought it was better to be not committed. Life was better this way, to be single and, kind of play around or whatever. But now they've recognized the love that they have for this Queen of Cups. Now they want to match this energy. So, 7 of Wands, Spirit. 7 of Wands. 7 of Wands. 7 of Wands. One more. I think this is their partner. Oh, they want to come and talk. Okay, so this King of Swords, who was in reverse in the past, maybe they were not being their true self in the past. They were non-committal or unemotional. This person wants to come and have a talk. They are seeing things from all different perspectives now. They do want to come in and offer maybe a stable brand new start or something, but somebody's got their defenses up. Maybe because they cheated or lied in the past. Somebody is saying, I'm not sure, because oh my God, there's so much love here, but somebody does want to now, get over this fight, basically. They actually want to escape this fight altogether, because they just want to bring love back into this connection. They want this conflict to over so you guys can go, move on to having peace and harmony once again. So what's this Death card, Spirit? Death card. But their partner's not willing now. Whoever this feminine energy was, who's very upset and angry, they've already got their barriers up, saying, hey, this person is a cheat, they're a liar, I've already ended this connection, I've already moved on now, and in my mind, I've already shut the chapter on them. I'm not looking for a brand new beginning with this person. This person is a promise breaker, okay? They bring promises which they never ever keep. So I have kind of put a full stop on this connection. Yes, and this is going to be, so many of these, Libra got it, then I think Sagittarius got it. 2-3 zodiacs have got this storyline of people coming back and their partner saying, too late, buddy. So this is going to be a Tower moment. Yes, somebody is preferring to be single and beautiful and abundant and looking after themselves more than accepting a proposal now. So I think these masculines are in for a root shock if they do come in, if they do manage to come in, because they're still gathering up their courage. They are watching, they are waiting, they are planning, they are spying, and they are seeing their person really, really glow up. And I think that's a Tower moment for them, because they can't understand that, now that I've started getting all these feelings, my person doesn't seem, bothered. They are looking good, feeling good. So 10 of Pentacles in reverse. 10 of Pentacles in reverse. This person is thinking, oh, this person is very, very overwhelmed now. They're feeling stuck. They're feeling very, very stuck. Maybe in the past they were holding back. Now they want to hold on to this connection, and they don't know how to now bring in a commitment and get the passions going on again. Because right now, Aquarius, there's a loss of passion here. At least that's how they feel, because they feel their person is no longer interested in them. Ace of Wands, Spirit. Ace of Wands. Oh my God. All right. Ace of Wands. Somebody has made a choice after feeling a bit rejected, I think, right? This person has felt that, oh my God, where's the fire? There's no, I mean, in the sense, where's the passion? Now this person is making a choice and a decision that I want to have the full Monty. I want to go have a reunion with my person. I want to offer them commitment. They are my 10 of cups. And this is a choice and a decision that I have made, that I want this flow of energy to start once again. Luck is on your sides here from what I see. This seems like a destined kind of a connection. So Spirit, what's going to happen? Yes, the Ace of Wands is going to be upright again. Aquarius. This Ace of Wands, where did it go? The one that was in reverse, right? It's going to be up and roaring once again. Somebody is coming in. Somebody wants to come in and rectify it. They are going to be wanting to offer everything now. Maybe now, maybe in a few days, because I do see a little bit of waiting and watching going on. But the other person, I think this message is for the other person who was upset. I think kind of ask the right questions this time. Don't be too much in a hurry, because I'm telling you, they want you back, right? If you are the feminine watching this, they want you back big time. They're ready to offer you everything and anything. So please hold yourself in high regard. Speak your truth. Put your ground rules down, because they'll be agreed upon. I promise you that. All right, so that's all I have for you, Aquarius. Hope it worked for you. Give me a thumbs up if it did, okay? And I'll see you soon. I'll see you now on Tuesday. Till then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.